we do have families too to go back to, and we like to go home safely at the end of the day at all times. That's our main concern. So just being distracted or running late to work is not an excuse for driving when you're not paying attention, being distracted.
We're trying to make it clean for them because there's hazards out there. We're trying to pick up the hazards on the roadway, make the roadway nice and clean so when they drive by, they're not getting flat tires or anything that's happening to them. So that, people don't understand. They think we're just doing it because we want to, but it's for a purpose of making our highways safe and clean for the public.
We're out there for you. We're working hard to make sure you're able to get to your destination safely. So please let our guys come home safely as well.
Look, they have cones out there. Yes, we all in a rush. Yes, we gotta go. Yes, we gotta be where we gotta be. But think about it. You pass by a lot of people. Just imagine, we have family that we like to go home to. We have children that we want to see. And we want to make sure our brothers and sisters in Caltrans are protected. Always look for the cone zone. Please, just slow down.
Best thing or best advice is just please drive safely. Don't text, don't drink and drive. Be aware that we're out there trying our best to keep the freeways maintained, cleaned. We can only do so much, but we need you guys out there too. Don't drink and drive, don't text, and just drive safely, please.
Unapologetic, or like, I didn't know, I didn't see. It's like we have so many signs and arrow boards and the trucks and even the CHP with us, like, what didn't you see? That second could have caused us our life. It could have caused me not to be here today if it wasn't for the alertness of myself or my crew.
With all the gadgets that we have to distract all the drivers, also with, they got phones that alert, it takes your eyes off the road, just for a split second. Even if you're changing the radio, that could distract you.
Oh, I've seen everything from the girls putting their makeup on to cell phones, texting. And texting, I think the texters are the worst because they're looking down. They're not, they're not watching the road. You got the guys talking on the phone, looking, or just other people eating or whatever. It only takes a minute to be distracted and look away, and then something can happen.